Good morning, everyone. Today we're in Flamingo, Florida, and I'm just going to be looking for whatever can bite. There's lots of tarpon, snook, redfish, trout. We're going to follow this channel out and work our way along a flat. I'm going to start by casting my Z-Man Prawn Star. Look, lots of movement on the water. See so many mullet around, so I'm going to switch to this Z-Man Mulletron 3.3 inch. Alright, perfect. We're all ready. It's usually a little bit deeper where these channel markers are. I've caught some decent trout. Looks like I'm on ladyfish. Caught this on the 1/8 ounce jig with a Z-Man Baller 4 inch. Saw a little shrimp jumping around, thought they looked more like that than the other stuff I had rigged up. Seemed like the switch worked. I think I'm on something. Catfish maybe? What do we got? Is it a flounder? No, jack. It's a jack. Just saw something swipe right next to me. Could have been a ladyfish. I just saw a couple tarpon right up here. Let me see if I can get them. Dolphins. They're swimming sideways over there. I'm not really sure why. Oh, that was a big tarpon right there. Well, these guys are just all around me right now. I'm just letting them do their thing. The way they're coming up like that almost makes me think they're like periscoping, see if they can see above the water, but I'm not sure why they would do that. Wow. Guys, I was just sitting here with shrimp and something slammed my lure. I'm using a bucktail jig, about 1/4 ounce. A little bit of frozen shrimp on it. Alright, so I'm going to take the shrimp. Alright, got them on there. And I'm just going to set them out in the channel. See, something just got my bait. Guys, we got a trout. Oh my god. Mark this on my chart. First trout of the day. Speckle trout. There he goes. Released himself. Trout number 2, guys. Man, this guy nailed it. We'll measure them. They gotta be 16 to keep, I believe. 15 to keep. I think it's gonna be a little short. Oh, 14.25. Just an inch under, but beautiful, beautiful fish. There he goes. So we found a little trout hole here. Trout number 3, guys. A little smaller. Don't have to measure this guy up. Come on. Off he goes. Oh no. Another little guy. Set him off. Let's go by this piling, see maybe there's a sheep's head or something on it. Black drum maybe. Dang, these little guys have attitude. Whoa. Buddy. Snapper. It's got a little baby mangrove snapper. The wind and the current died. We have a perfect chance to just cruise over these flats and look for fish. It's pretty clear, so if there's any fish, we're gonna see them. I see saw something tailing over there. There's a red right there. No! I don't know what happened there. I messed up. I was using 12-pound line, and I don't know if I set the hook too hard or what. Probably catfish. I don't know.
Telling you, man. Oh my God! Look. Are you recording?
Yeah. Guys, I just casted in this like little channel here, and I must have hooked a snook. Is this redemption for losing that red? Oh my God, this one's good. I don't know if I can land it. I don't want to tighten my drag too much after what happened last time. I gotta get him in before a shark finds him. Lots of sharks around here. There, here he comes. Oh. Off he goes. Ooh, this is a nice one. Oh, he's gonna be 20-something probably.
Nice, good one.
Look at that snook, guys. He ate that baller, the 4-inch. 26.5. That's a good fish. Hooked a red on this lure. Caught a snook on it. Z-Man might have cooked with it. Alright, I'm just gonna send him off because there tends to be a lot of sharks around. Oh, and there he goes. Alright, I guess maybe I'll try that a couple times over here just in this pit. Mark this spot. Snook! So, guys, I'm just casting that same exact spot, and I felt a little nibble. We are on another snook. Make sure I mark this. That is 3 fish on this type of lure right now. Oh, going across my boat.
Oh my God. Dude, you are killing it today.
I think this one might be smaller than the last one, but we'll find out. Oh yeah, this guy's not as big, but had some spunk.
What have you been doing? Spunking on the bottom?
Yeah. Oh man.
Hold it up for the picture. Nice.
Look at this guy's beautiful snook. Alright, we got 24, so close his mouth. 24, 23.5. I'll take it, guys. 26 and 23.5. He got hooked through the nose. Wonder how that happened. Alright. And he is safely released. So when you are releasing fish in the Everglades, you want to give them a jump start by pushing them, throwing them in the air, getting their face in the water. That way oxygen gets to their gills immediately and helps them kick off. The shock also helps them kick off. In other places, you might want to hold the fish in the water and revive it a bit, make sure it swims off. But here, there's so many sharks, it's too dangerous for that. You'll end up injuring yourself. What was that? You guys see that? Just in this spot, I had some kind of weird bite. I actually accidentally hit a black drum with my lure. There's stuff around. The water is moving out, so everything's gotten real shallow, and this is like a drainage creek right here, so everything's gonna get forced in these deeper parts. Yeah, guys, we got a red drum. This completes my slam, you might say. Look at that, guys. Beautiful little red drum. This is my first red drum in Flamingo. Not the biggest one, but beautiful little guy. And this was just on the bucktail jig with a shrimp. Oh, on something. Catfish or drum? That's the question. Oh, we got a jack. A little jack. Guys, I think we might be on a red. Oh my god, look at this beautiful fish. Drum! Guys, this might be redemption for that drum I missed earlier. Oh, if I can not mess up underneath me. Man, he's behind me. Come on. These guys know how to put up a fight. Oh, there we go. Nice drum. Got it out. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. What a beauty. It might be bleeding out. It's 21. I don't like keeping red drum because they're such a beautiful fish, but if he's hooked like that. All right, 18 to 27. So we're good. All right, guys, that's dinner. I got a great recipe in mind. I think I'm gonna do it blackened, a little Cajun style, maybe. I see a red tailing right up here. He's scared off. It's getting a little bit late, so we're gonna start working our way back to the marina. Overall, I had a great day in the water. Caught some awesome stuff.